Welcome to the Newton's 2008 Firework collection. We're just going to talk you through all the fireworks we've got. These are the small ones to get the show started. We're going to start off with the small ones, work our way up to the big ones. See there, we've got Short Circuit, Turbo Drive, Cyber Strike, Android Alert, Desert Storm. They're all 25 shot barrages, but a bit small them ones. Going on to Medicine Man. These are they're like our extra small, these are like our small. Men Shun Fireworks. Heavy Bomber, 24 shot barrage. Atomic Bomber, 24 shot barrage. Spy Fighter, 24 shot barrage. They're like the triplets them. Space War by TNT. Mines. They pack a really good punch, them ones do. Lethal Tank. Got that from Epic Fireworks. It's a nice little firework. Iron Man, 25 shot barrage. Again from Epic, but you know, these little ones, we had these last year. These are a great value for money. These will outdo most £25 ones that you'll buy from your superstores around here. Super Missile, 300 shot. I am looking forward to this. TNT, got it from our friend, works at TNT's. Wonder Wheels, now these are for girls. We aren't looking forward to them, we're looking forward to the ones that pack a bang. Torpedo, nice firework from Epic. Skyscraper, another nice firework. Look at the size on that, that is a big one that. Golden Age, we haven't had this one in our past years of being firework mad people, but we've been told it's a good one. Red Heart, we had that one last year. It actually does do a heart in the sky, which was unbelievable. It was, oh my god, it was amazing. Sky Thriller, this one's getting banned in March. It is the loudest firework you will ever hear in your life, unless you live in Japan. Oh, this is a nice one, I had that last year. Lights up the sky, bright gold. Torpedo again. Thunder King, 25 shot unit. That is a nice one. TNT, nuclear reaction. We had this last year. It's only a small 100 shotter, but oh my god, the bangs was amazing. I would have that. If you was buying it from Co-op, yeah, that, or a superstore, you'd be paying like 40 odd quid. Might as well get it from Epic Fireworks. Heavy Duty, 64 shot unit. That is a nice one. Devil's Ring, Devil's Cauldron, both from the Dancing Devil. We've never had any fireworks from the Dancing Devil, but we've been told it is a good make, so we're trying it out this year. This one, Devil's Cauldron, it's really heavy. It's a big firework, it's only a 24 shot one. And as you can see, the shots are massive. This is going to light up the sky in Norton. Brother's Choice, we've got Sovereign, Majestic, Imperial, Regal. What more do you want? Brother's Choice, that is the way forward. 100% entertainment. Read it, that's what it does. 100% entertainment. Magneto, 36 shot unit. That is packing heat, that one. Same there. More or less the same, 30 shot unit. That one's from Epic though.